Hello student, good morning. Today we have to start a new topic. Name is adverb blank. So see that the first adverb blank. First topic we have to remember that on that. First is whenever we have to start on yatha to the end of tatha. Second one, yada. Whenever the sentence start on yada, end of tada. Yadi. Hello students, so see that the first words we have to remember on that. In an adverb blank, first we have to remember on this type of tables, first we have to remember on that. Whenever we have to start, the word is yatha, the middle word always we remember on that, the tatha is be there. In the second word, yada is be there, you use to the tada, yadi is be there, you use to the tahi, and yavat, you have to use on a tavat. Atra, then tatra, most important things are be there. In this case, 2-3 things are be there. The first is whenever we have to start atra, you have to find on the two words are be there, most probably use on a mama. Okay students, so first we have to see that some examples, so you have to clear on your mind. The first is yatha raja blank praja. So see that the sentence, the first word is starting off yatha, so we have to use on tatha. The sentence is complete, yatha raja tatha प्रजा. कहने का भावार्थ ये है बेटा कि जहां पर राजा होता है वहीं उसकी प्रजा होती है. द सेकंड सेंटेंस, यदि अहम संस्कृत पठिष्यामि see that the sentence सिंपल वे, यदि अहम संस्कृत पठिष्यामि, जो हम संस्कृत पढ़ेंगे उत्तीर्ण भविष्यामि, in future we have to learn your result. So see that the first word whenever we have to start on yadi, then which word we have to use on a tahi. Very simple manners, yadi tahi. See that the third sentence, यावत सह वदति अहम गच्छामि. See that the first sentence, yavat we have to start. So see that the yavat is be there. Yavat sah vadati aham gacchami tavat. जो यावत कहेगा तो मैं वहां पर जाऊंगा. The sentence is tavat. Okay students, see that the next, yada sah agacchati त्वं पठति. See that the starting word of yada, so we have to use yada and tada. So yada sa agacchati tada tvam pathats. See the last sentence, fifth one, mama samipam blank agaccha. So see that use on whenever we have to start on mama, then the right answer is atra. Mama samipam agaccha. See that student, here is the atra. Whenever we have to find two words are be there, most probably we have to use on a mama. So answer is with that aham mama samipam atra agacchata. So in this case adverb blank, first we have to learn the table. Whenever we have to learn the table, we have to solve the easily the blanks. Some more words we have to see that on related on a adverb blank. Students, related to the words, the first word is uppari. Uppari means upside, upper, uppar ki or. The second is adha. Adha means down, niche ki or. Purata. Purata means front side, आगे की ओर. पुष्ट, बैक साइड. सर्वत्व means all side. अभिता, both side. Okay student, some more words you have to learn. See that the some example. The first word vrakshasya blank vanara santi. Okay student, see that the word vrakshasya means beta पेड़, tree, vanara means beta monkey, santi means है. नीचे जो होगा नहीं किस साइड होगा? ऊपरी. तो the right answer is vrakshasya ऊपरी vanara santi. ऊपरी. Clear student? Second, vrakshasya pathika. Supta. The new word is supta. Supta means beta sleeping. So see that vrakshasya tree, prathik, supata. Supata means sleep. ऊपर की तरफ तो सोगा नहीं, तो the right answer is down. adha. वृक्षस्य अध नीचे. पथिक सुपथ पेड़ के नीचे पथिक विश्राम असित आराम कर रहा है. The third one मातु. मातु blank बालक खेलति. बालक खेलति. The meaning of line मातु means mother, बालक means बच्चा, child, खेलती means बेटा playing. Front means सामने की ओर. माँ के सामने बालक खेल रहा है. तो the right answer is पुरता. Whenever we have to find the meaning ना, you solve the blanks. So see that the fourth नपस्य अभिता. What is the meaning of अभिता? Both side. अभिता सैनिक असित. सैनिक means soldier. Clear? First we have to see that the meanings, then you have to solve that. Then the fourth मंदिरस्य, sorry fifth one मंदिरस्य पृष्ठ. Sorry, first we have to see that नदी वहती. The right answer पृष्ठः, पृष्ठः मीन्स बैक साइड, मंदिर के पीछे नदी बहती है। 6th वन, ग्रामस्य ग्रामस्य अभित, अभित मीन्स बोथ साइड, वृक्षा वृक्षः सन्ति। Whatever the meaning of the line, gramasya means gram is a village, abhita both side, वृक्ष means tree, santi means गांव के दोनों साइड बहुत सारे वृक्ष लगाए हुए हैं। See that the next one, then you have to solve that on the right answer of that. Seventh one, सदनस्य ब्लैंक राष्ट्रध्वज वर्तते। The next question, सूर्य प्रकाश ब्लैंक असित पिता ब्लैंक प्रवास गमिष्यति। नर्मदा कहती तत गंगा वहती। वृक्षस्य ब्लैंक शाखा मृग क्रुदंती। वायु ब्लैंक असित। Okay student, see that sadanasya means assembly, the hall, rashtraध्वज वर्तते, the building of the assembly. Clear? So see that whatever the right answer is there, sadanasya ऊपरी, ऊपर की साइड, फ्रंट ऊपर, अप। The next one, सूर्य प्रकाश असित, जो सूर्य का प्रकाश है, नॉट अ पर्टिकुलरली वन साइड के ऊपर या नीचे, सब जगह होता है ना, तो द राइट आंसर इज सर्वत्व, ऑल साइड, सर्वत्व। Second, the most important is the IMP is with there, important is with that. The next is पिता प्रवासम गमिष्यति। पिता means बेटा father, प्रवासम गमिष्यति, पापा कब प्रवास की ओर जाएंगे। Used to that whenever we have to use na time, time is be there whenever the rain was come, बराबर, we have to use on the word is kada, whenever the time is be there you use to the kada. So the right answer is पिता कदा प्रवास गमिष्यति means पापा कब प्रवास की ओर जाएंगे। See that the new words are be there, whenever we have to see that on a first word we have to see that yata, that's why we have to say that the middle word is a tatah, then we have to use on a yatah। यतः नर्मदा कहती तत गंगा वहति। वृक्षस्य शाखा मृग क्रुदंती, वृक्षस्य मीन्स ट्री, शाखा मृग क्रुदंती जंप, अब ऊपर की ओर होगा, नॉट अ डाउन, सो वी हैव टू यूज्ड ऑन अ ऊपरी। The next one, वायु असित, वायु मीन्स विंड, हवा, जो हवा होती है वो सर्वत्व होती है, बराबर, कोई नॉट अ पर्टिकुलरली वन साइड, दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव टू यूज ऑन अ वर्ड इज सर्वत्व। Okay student, here we have to complete on a adverb blank. If there any doubt in any difficulty, you can ask me. Okay, astu. Thank you.